More and more people are unable to enjoy a good night's sleep. Now, with this high-tech pillow, you could live 1/3 of your life healthier than ever. I am SLIIP, your personal sleep health advisor. As a pillow, I can adjust your sleeping position to achieve maximum comfortableness by changing my own shape. I can play soothing, gentle music with delta waves to help you fall asleep faster. When a human is kept in a snoring environment, the body's nervous system is triggered to stay in consciousness. That keeps you in a shallow sleep, which means you are not rested as you would in a deep sleep. If you do snore, or your partner does, do not worry. I can monitor the noise level surrounding you and stop that snoring by subtly adjusting your sleeping position automatically. I will collect and record your sleep status data every night and show you how well you have slept and how you can improve. You can share the tips with friends and families through social networks and help them with their sleep problems. Usually, the smaller the object is, the smarter it is. Now we have made it. SLIIP is your comfortable pillow, your personal sleep advisor, your Bluetooth speaker, your bed lamp, your alarm clock, your phone charger, and so much more. All in such a small device, it's phenomenal. When we were designing SLIIP, the greatest challenge was that we need to provide you with a very comfortable pillow on its own, even without all the smart features we have put into it. It is very fundamental, in our opinion, to ensure that you have a good sleep experience from the start. We spend hours and hours in our labs just to test out what kind of pillows are most suitable for your sleep. On top of the solid hardware, SLIIP is accompanied with great software support right at your fingertips. Through our iOS and Android app, you can easily adjust your SLIIP settings and keep track of your sleep data. With the great features and the impressive designs, we are deeply convinced that SLIIP will be all you need on your bed. With your support, we will be able to perfect its functionalities and make SLIIP a reality much quicker. We will return your favor with a better sleep. Sleep with SLIIP. Dream better dreams.